how to refund games on Steam. So first, just simply click on help here on the top left, then just simply click on Steam support. Now once you're here, it will say here that what do you need help with. The one that I need help with is my Sniper Elite game right here, so I'm just simply gonna click on it. And once you're here, and just pick on any of these options on what problem that you had with the product. So let's say you purchased it by accident, or it's not what you expected. So I'm just gonna set it to I purchased this by accident. So just simply click on that, and there will be the option to request a refund right here. So just simply click on that option, and now as you can see, it says here to request a refund right here. So you could also tell them why. So you could put up notes to just basically support your claim or your reason right here. Now, once you're sure, you just simply need to click on Submit Request right here. Now, once that's done, this will pop up, and now it says that your help request has been submitted to Steam support. So you could either view the receipt right here, or you could also cancel the refund request if you change your mind. And that's how you basically refund the game on Steam.